Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. So in this video we're going to be assembling one car but in two different versions, two kits. So the first one, let's go ahead and assemble the covered version. This is the ZIS-101 Sport, a Soviet era sports car actually, as that kind of sounds not, you don't really think of a sports car being made by the Soviets. They're all about nothing luxurious or something, except for the elites. That's probably what the car was for then, the elites. You're just taking the clippers and clipping away these things. There you go. These are the bumpers. Carefully clipping those. There you go. Great. So now let's start to glue it together. So as you can imagine, obviously the first step is to simply glue the two sides together. This is the covered version of the car. For this, you'll just want to be extra careful, make sure it's being glued down correctly. And what you can do for this, the hood, that features lines up well with that. But for areas where the line kind of does show up quite a bit, you can take some hobby putty, sand it down and such. Alright, next, let's put some glue there and some glue there. And then simply just take your wheels and put that axle in the center. Make sure the axle is going in the center. Okay, take more glue and do what we did for the other side. Oh, that wheel fell off. That's not good. There you go. So we got done that. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get these bumpers glued on. For that, you just take some glue there and some glue there. Let's go ahead and get the tweezers on like that. And there's that bumper. Now let's do the... Yeah, there you go. The front bumper. Take some tweezers. Put it like that. More tricky, I guess. So if you have some really fast setting glue, this probably would be a area where you might want to use that. Have patience. Alright, so maybe the tweezers are not the best idea. Let's just take our hands and do that. Alright, for some reason that took way much more effort than it needed to. But there's the bumper. Let's see, does it go down? Yeah. You might want to let that dry for a bit before moving on. But yeah, there you go. Or if you use some fast setting glue, that'd probably be a good idea as well. Alright, so that's the covered ZIS-101 Sport. Alright, so we're continuing on. As you can see in the background, we have that ZIS-101 Sport. Now, if you purchased the convertible version of the vehicle, here we go. Take your sprues and cut them away. Just prepare these tires for this kit. There you go. That's all good. Now there's this set of things. That's the two halves of the vehicle. Here's the steering wheel. Well, there you go. There's the window. And then if you just watch this covered version, this looks familiar. These are the bumpers, the front and back. Done the clipping process. Now let's get no, we're not done the clipping process. Just like the other model, there was this to get rid of. As you can see, there you go. Now we're done. Just put some glue like that. And put those two sides together like so. And then simply get some glue here. Maybe some glue there. Simply place this piece in there. That's great. So that's done. Now, place a little dab of glue there, there, and there. And we're going to carefully put this window on here. To see if that will work or if that's possible. I think it worked. While we're at it with delicate parts, put a little glue there. And here's the steering wheel. There you go. Looks like that got down correctly as well. So let's just carefully not touch those. Some glue here, as you can see. And we're going to glue on the tires. Yeah. Now let's do the other side. This kit is fairly simple. Simply straightforward. Alright, so that's done. Now it's the bumper, of course. Let's do the back. Let's take those tweezers. See if we can manage. There you go. Looks like it worked. And now this front bumper. With the other kit, it was complicated, so let's try to be careful. If you recall, the tweezers didn't work so well. So just try to get that in there. Oops. Come on. This is complicated for some reason. Alright, once you have that front bumper in a good position, just try to let it dry. And if you have quick setting glue, that'd be a good option as well. Alright, so these are the ZIS-101 Sport. Available from Miniature Tanks Company at miniaturetanks.com. There they are.